and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an absolutely amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we are actually going to be unboxing the Boxycharm premium subscription for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's premium box, stay tuned. For those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm Premium, it is a bigger Boxycharm box where you receive 6 to 7 beauty items each month for $35, and the box I believe has a value of over like $170, $175, somewhere in that ballpark. Don't hold me to it, it may be a few dollars less. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look and see what came inside of this month's box. When you receive your Boxycharm Premium each month, it comes in a bigger Boxycharm box, and that's what that looks like, with Boxycharm on the front. And then when you open it up, it says Boxycharm Premium, and at Boxycharm and hashtag Boxycharm. And then your items are packaged inside like so with the card on top. And when I'm looking at the card this month, it says Adore, so I'm assuming that is the theme for this month, and Boxycharm. And then when you open it up, it'll have a listing of the products inside and a little description of each. So the first item that I am pulling out of this box is from Fascia, and it's 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. That sounds quite interesting. Let's see what it says about this before I open it up. It says, the 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. Interesting. You know what? Let's go ahead and open it because I'm curious about this whole 24 karat gold thing. I want to see what's going on with that. Let's take a peek. Okay, so that's what that looks like outside of the box. That packaging is absolutely stunning, and it's very heavy. It has a really nice weight to it. And inside, it looks like it's a clear moisturizer with like specks of gold throughout. I don't know how much you guys can see that being close up. Let's go ahead and open it real quick. Ooh, look at that. It looks almost like a gel. Oh, can you guys see that? Doesn't really have a smell to it. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on my hand so you guys can see. Look at this. This looks like hair gel to me. Go ahead and rub a little bit on my hand there. Well, I rubbed a whole lot on my hand. Oh my gosh, that's exactly the consistency to me, like a hair gel. Now, you would only need a very little of that. I put way too much of that on, but it has kind of like a cooling effect on my skin. That's very interesting. I'm actually looking forward to trying this out. All right. I've never seen a moisturizer like this with like gold flakes throughout, so hopefully this will work pretty well. Now, what's the price on this? Let's take a look. Oh goodness. They said the price is $100 retail. Whew, maybe I don't want it to work because I don't know if I'd buy a replacement at $100. It would have to take away every fine line and wrinkle that I have. Look like a newborn baby. Jeez. It's nice to get in a subscription box. It's one of the reasons I subscribe to the boxes, because I love getting products that I wouldn't normally go out and purchase myself, or brands that I've never heard of, and get to try new things. So I can't complain. And a $100 item in a subscription box. So the next item that I'm pulling out of the box is from Korres, Lavender Blossom Body Butter. Oh, okay. All right. That's what that looks like. I thought it was something for the hair, but I'm excited about a body butter. Let me see what it says about this. Hold on. Korres Body Butter. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It says, this rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. And this has a retail value of $32. Let me see. It probably has a safety seal. Let's see. Oh, it smells a little bit through the package. It smells kind of good. I know I'm going to keep this because I love products with shea butter. Oh, it smells pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take the safety seal off. Go ahead and squeeze a little bit on for you so you can see. Okay, that's what that looks like. Has a pretty thick consistency. It feels really good. Feels like a body lotion, but maybe a little bit thicker than your typical body lotion. But feels really nice, all right. It has a pretty nice smell to it. It smells a little stronger once I rub it in than it did in the bottle to me. So, but not bad at all. Okay, I'm looking forward to using this. I love a good body butter. The next thing I'm seeing in this box is from Hourglass, and it's a ambient lighting blush. I feel like I have an Hourglass ambient blush already. I'm not sure. That packaging is really pretty though. Very nice. I guess the color is Diffused Heat. Oh, okay, that's what that looks like. It's a very pretty marbleized type of blush, but I know that is not a color that I would probably mess with at all, so I'm not going to swatch this. I'm actually going to wind up probably just throwing this in a giveaway. And it says the value of this blush is $40. All right, all right. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, Hydrating Glowing Radiance. That's what that looks like. It says, the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist is so delicate, it envelops skin like a morning fog. The formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus that refreshes and softens skin and enhances makeup. So I'm guessing it's like a makeup setting spray? Okay, it says to use as a hydrating glow mist from 8 to 10 inches away, firmly press nozzle, press 2 to 3 times across the face. So I guess you can use it as just a like setting mist, or you can also use it to look like prep your makeup. All right, I guess I'll be giving this a try. I have another product or two from Glow Recipe, and I do like their products, so I'm curious to try this and see how it works. Now it says that this Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist has a retail value of $28. Okay, so the next thing in the box is from Tarte, and it's it's the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. That's really nice to get a primer in the box from Tarte. And on the back it says the primer has 12-hour hydration, it's coconut infused, smooth appearance, I guess of fine lines and wrinkles, it just says smooth appearance, extends wear of foundation. All right, so I've heard of the Tape Shape Primer, but I've never tried it, so I'm excited to try this as well. And that's what that looks like. Awesome. So now in my base box, I got foundation, and now in this box, I got primer. So the two boxes combined are absolutely great. So I'm excited about this month's Boxycharms. And it says the value of this is $30. Now the last item in the box is the item that I actually got to choose. I believe it was between this and a palette or something else. And I actually wound up getting the Sutra Beauty Flat Iron. And I chose the flat iron because I know this is something that I can always use, and if I don't use it, one of my daughters definitely will. So I thought this made the most sense and was the most practical for me. So I went ahead and grabbed this. Now it says that this is valued at $79.99. Oh, it's a pretty powder blue color. That's what it looks like. You guys know what a flat iron looks like, but I just wanted to show you the color. And this is a nice width, so I'm excited about that. I'm sure my daughter will steal my other one because I'll probably use this one. So alright guys, just to recap everything that came in this month's box, I got the Sutra Beauty Flat Iron, which is valued at $79.99. I got the Tarte Primer, which is valued at $30. We got the Glow Recipe Fine Mist, which is valued at $28. We got the Ambient Blush from Hourglass, which is valued at $40. And then we got the Korres Body Butter, which is valued at $32. And then we got the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer, which is valued at $100. I still say it's a bit steep, but I'm glad to get it. So the total value of this month's Boxycharm Premium box that I received is $309.99. And I paid $35. Guys, you really can't beat that. I know some of the prices may be a little bit inflated, but still the products that I got in the box, I absolutely love them. The only thing in here that I wouldn't use is the blush, and that's because it really wouldn't be the right tone for my skin tone, but I would definitely pass that on to one of you in a future giveaway. Anyway guys, let me know if you received Boxycharm Premium and what your thoughts were on this month's box down in the comments below. If you don't receive Boxycharm or Boxycharm Premium but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their website down in the description box below. Well, that's all that I have for today, guys. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.